Smart roughing from ModuleWorks can be seamlessly integrated into Autodesk Fusion. This tutorial explains how Smart Roughing and Kennametal plugins can be utilized. Navigate to the Add-ins tab, then the Fusion App Store, and search for the Kennametal plugin installer. Download and run it on your system. Also download the Smart Roughing plugin from Fusion App Store and install it on your system. Ensure both add-ins are enabled so they can be used for toolpath creation. To begin using Smart Roughing, the first step is to define the overall setup. Here we've chosen to place the coordinate system at the center of the top face of the stock, a common reference point for roughing operations. Next, switch to the Stock tab and apply your stock settings. For this tutorial, we'll use a fixed size box and manually enter the stock dimensions. Before generating a Smart Roughing toolpath, it's essential to assign the correct material and machine, both of which directly influence toolpath optimization. Go to the Materials tab and choose the material standard that best aligns with how your material is typically classified. Smart Roughing includes support for hundreds of materials, grouped under a wide range of international standards. You can search and select your material by first choosing the relevant standard that describes it. In this case, we have selected AISI 4140 low alloy steel from AISI standard. To define the machine, we need information like spindle interface and power speed torque characteristics for the machine. We've selected a Haas VF4 machine with BT40 spindle interface, for which we've already specified power torque values in this table. This information is typically available in the machine's technical catalog. To select the right tool for toolpath generation, we recommend using the Kennametal plugin, seamlessly integrated with Smart Roughing. Go to the Kennametal plugin. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to the Kennametal catalog. Navigate to the Products tab and select the product category based on your application. For this part, we're choosing a P6 grade solid carbide end mill, which is 12 millimeters in diameter and 83 millimeters in length. Add the selected tool to the solution and choose the appropriate adapter for the spindle. Since our spindle interface is BT40, we'll select a standard BT40 adapter hydro chuck for this application. Now export the complete solution to Autodesk Fusion. This way, we'll have this tool assembly added to the Fusion tool library. After completing your setup, open the 3D toolpath menu and select Smart Roughing. Assign the Kennametal tool and choose the imported solution from the Fusion tool library. This automatically loads the recommended tool, geometry, and cutting parameters. You can further fine-tune the operation by adjusting the Smart Roughing slider. Move it towards the lower side to improve tool life and towards the higher side to reduce cycle time. Leave the remaining parameters at their default values for optimal performance. Finally, run the simulation. You'll see Smart Roughing use large side steps and depth cuts to remove material quickly and efficiently, significantly reducing machining time and improving overall process productivity.